Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo, stock reference number 5783. This shape runs from the 10th month 2010 through to the 3rd month 2013. It has a 3.6 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel-drive transmission. 3.6 litre V6 petrol engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left guard has no damage, left power door mirror, left front 20-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, both left-hand doors have no damage, left rear 20-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left taillight, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate has no damage, right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand taillight, right rear 20-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right power door mirror, and a right front 20-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.